Hennessey fans, welcome to another great video. My name is Alex, this is Jason. We're on the team here at Hennessey and we're on the Pennzoil Proving Grounds test track. Behind us is the brand new Hennessey VelociRaptor 400 Bronco, and today we're going to be doing a comparison race against a stock Bronco just to see the difference. Let's go check it out.
Are you ready for this?
Let me just put it this way. I don't like being caught in a stock vehicle. We all know I'm gonna lose, but I'm curious to see by how much.
Yeah, I mean the video, the comparison that we did the other day with the Gen 3 VelociRaptor 600 versus the stock one, I was very surprised by the result. All right, let's launch.
Okay, I'm ready. Two-wheel drive, rev it up, here we go. It's not even close!
70 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour. Oh, I can see the whole front end of his Bronco back there. We're putting it on him. God.
I would say that was about the length of one bus that you beat me by.
You know what we should do for all those Jeep Wrangler fanboys out there? We should bring in a stock Jeep Wrangler and just show them how much this Bronco puts on a Wrangler.
Yeah, I think we should ask the fans to comment down below if they want to see that. A Hennessey VelociRaptor 400 Bronco versus a Jeep Wrangler. That'd be a good race. Alright guys, we're going to take a brief moment and just show you what makes the Hennessey VelociRaptor Bronco so amazing. The Hennessey VelociRaptor front bumper and a rear bumper. Hennessey 18-inch off-road wheels equipped with off-road 35-inch tires. Full spare wheel and tire. Beautiful Hennessey Heritage livery, which is an optional upgrade. And to talk about the performance of the vehicle, I'm going to bring in Jason to talk a little bit about that.
So we've taken everything that we learned from the 3.5 EcoBoost found in the Raptor and the F-150, and we've applied all of our knowledge and experience to the new 2.7 liter EcoBoost found in the Bronco. We have a 50-state emissions legal cold air induction system, high efficiency, high flow intercooler system, and our calibration. We're pumping out well over 300 rear wheel horsepower, and the torque, over 400 foot-pounds of torque.
All right, enough of all that talk. Let's get to racing. I only revved it up to about 1500 last time, but I'm gonna do a little more this time and see what happens.
See how aggressive we can get with this launch here. Let's get it. Oh, tire spin.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah. All the torque just puts us immediately out in front of him.
Don't get caught, man. Don't get caught in the stock Bronco.
Anything that's big and heavy, has a lot of rotational mass with off-road wheels and tires on it, you really need to talk about the torque. The torque is actually what will help propel the vehicle up and out of you know, the off-road trails, up and off the line, up and off from pulling a trailer. And in this VelociRaptor 400 Bronco, we are making over 400 foot-pounds of torque. So we're up about 60 foot-pounds over a stock Bronco. And if you want to talk horsepower, we're up about 50 horsepower over the stock Bronco as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for tuning in today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe below. Until next time.